Hi guys, in this video I have something very special I'm reviewing today. This is a 1986 Holden VK Commodore Group A Blue Meanie. So let's get into it. So that's the car here, as you can see. You call that blue Formula Blue. It's got the HDT badge. It's an original engine, modified from the factory. I'll get to all the stats when I go under the bonnet. These are the original Alpine white wheels with HDT center cap, and they're size 17 or 18 inch, I think. Stacks of tread left in the tyre. So SS Group A, SS Group 3, Peter Brock. Good look at the paintwork. It's a really nice blue. First Bathurst, 82, 83, 84. HDT Commodore V8. So, it's got your tinted windows. It's got the lip spoiler on the back. The old Holden badge. It's the SS. Got a HM headers exhaust. HDT. We build excitement. That's the car from this angle, as you can see. So that's the inside. I'll quickly show the back seat. Thank you. That's the back, as you can see. It's got blue velour seats. It's original. I have a good amount of room in the back, as you can see. It's got the wind down windows. Bit of storage here. That's broken, unfortunately. You've got a flip down center armrest. This is your 304 V8 engine, guys. So this engine from the factory was modified. It had cans, roller rockers, and all that stuff. And it's a good engine. It's the Holden. And that's chrome. Looks nice under here. If you give that a good clean, that'll look a bit better, I think. That's engine bay. If you give this a good clean, I'll show you the driver's seat now. Door pockets. So, it's got the Peter Brock steering wheel. It's got a 4-speed manual transmission. Original radio. Says Peter Brock 2. Cool. It's currently showing 101,687 kilometers. So that's not much for 36 years old. Your handbrake. Bit of storage in here. Aircon too. This is your glove box. Vinyl dash. Bit plasticky here. What's the build quality like? Wonder how these doors close too. They close nicely for a car from the 80s. Your headlight controls. The and your wipers here too. So these are your wipers and they are your headlights. It's got manual mirrors, your anti-glare rear vision mirror, your vinyl roof map reading light, this is the video. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please subscribe, share, like and comment, and I'll catch you in the next video. Goodbye.